Good day, I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
So far, no.
Okay, if you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, yeah?
Yes.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Um, I, I, I want to explore another.
Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
Um, I like.
Oh, take Malaysia. Okay, so can you help me introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. No problem. I'm Anopol. I'm old. Uh,
Sorry, yeah, you're quite choppy. How old are you again?
37, ma'am.
Okay.
And I'm in college level. I finished course as skill. Um, I worked before Dubai for 6 years and in some years and
Okay, ate, I cannot hear you. Please don't dance the chair. Please speak louder at the same time. You're quite choppy. Okay, I need to know some few more details from you first. When is your birthday?
November 15, 1987, ma'am.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5 and 37.
67.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you single or married?
I'm single.
Do you have live-in partner?
Yes, ma'am.
How many children do you have?
No, ma'am.
No. Is your live-in partner allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
How old is your live-in partner and what is his occupation?
40 years old and driver, ma'am.
Okay, how many brother and sister do you have?
I have 3 sisters.
What about brother?
No, ma'am. I don't
What
have.
is your rank in your family?
I'm the youngest, ma'am.
What about your parents? How old is your parents?
Sorry, I'm elder.
You are the
My mom
eldest. Okay, what
and
about your parents?
my mom and dad died already, mom.
Okay, so you mentioned that this is not your first time working abroad, but rather than you already got working experience before into other countries. In which country is it?
Pardon, please.
You mentioned that this is not your first time working abroad. Where did you have your working experience before? In which country?
I've been in Dubai, Kuwait, and Saudi.
You've been in Dubai. Your first employer is in Dubai.
Yes, ma'am.
How many years you worked there?
6 years, ma'am.
What year did you started and what year did you finish your contract?
I started 2012, ma'am. I finished at 20, 2000, I think like that.
2012 to 2018.
No, no, no. 2012. Yeah, 2020.
Okay, so what is your job responsibilities there?
My responsibilities is uh, the household is in, um, better and clean.
Sorry?
Make sure that the employer have and
Did you do
uh,
the house chores? Do you do
yes,
cooking, laundry, and ironing?
yes, ma'am.
Did you take your children?
Two, ma'am.
How old is the children?
Uh, when I'm there is 2 years old and 7.
Okay, what happened? Why you didn't continue working with this employer? Of course, you've been working there for 6 years.
Yeah, yes, I want to go another
Okay,
experience.
after Dubai, you work in which country?
Saudi, ma'am.
Saudi. How many years you worked there?
2 years, ma'am.
What year did you started and what year did you finish your contract?
That one, ma'am, I forgot what year is that, ma'am.
Sorry?
I forgot what year.
You forgot what year?
Yes,
How come
ma'am.
you forgot?
I forgot.
After third, in which country? After KSA, which country?
Kuwait, ma'am.
How many years you worked there?
2 years, ma'am.
What year did you started and what year did you finish?
2021 to 2024, ma'am. 25.
2021 to 2025.
Yes.
So you worked for 4 years.
No, ma'am. 2022 and 2025.
2022 until?
25.
So you worked for 3 years.
Not 3 years, because
Okay. So 2 years and how many months?
I think 5 months.
Okay. What is your job responsibilities there?
To do chores, ma'am.
Sorry?
To clean, to wash,
You do
to
the
cook.
house chores, cooking,
Yes.
laundry, and ironing.
Yes.
Did you take care of any children in Kuwait?
In Kuwait, no, ma'am.
Okay, so you do the house chores only, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
But in Saudi, what is your job responsibilities there for 2 years?
Only clean also, ma'am.
Clean also, house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
If possible, I will do my best, ma'am. But I will do my best.
Okay, but can you take your children or baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Uh, I
It's a yes or no.
No, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
You've been in Middle East for almost 1 decade, but I would like to let you know that Middle East and Malaysia, or I mean in Kuwait, Dubai, or in Saudi Arabia is quite different here in Malaysia, okay? Employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness, and houses here is quite big, there is no joke. So you need to get ready yourself because you might experience those things that you didn't experience in those countries that you were working for before, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you will going to sign a 2 years contract, same like what you did in Dubai, KSA, and Kuwait. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, then fine, you work properly, don't give us problem. But if you disagree, it's fine also. You stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad, because you wanted to sustain your family's needs. Most especially that you don't have any children, you save for your future at the same time, okay? In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer, because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
Normally, how do you fight your homesickness?
I just make myself busy, ma'am.
You make yourself busy. Okay, so just we need to be humble because we are a foreigner in this country. In Philippines, you can be the boss there, you can do whatever you want, but here, no such a thing, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.